Here's a little video of the LuminAid light. Here it is. I use it to light my bed at night to read. And this is on the brightest setting, the lantern, and it's got a little strap here that you can carry it conveniently. And then it has 4 settings and brightnesses. This is the brightest, and then there's the next, and then a strobe in case you're in trouble at night, you want to cause somebody attention, and then there's the off. So here it is back on the brightest, and I'm going to turn the light on here, overhead light on, and right here there's a little light, and when the solar cell is receiving enough electricity, it dims or brightens according to how much sun it has on it. And this little red button here, when you press it, it shows you the battery level. So you press it. Easier when you have 2 hands there. And the second one, you see there are only 3 lights, so that shows you that it's 25% discharge. And then you see the little protuberance of the blow-up valve, and it only weighs, it just, you know, and if you drop it, it's so light that it doesn't hurt itself. I've dropped it off the bed. First time, whoa! But it's really, it's a very durable and waterproof. That's a little thing. Let me show you this strap. Here I fastened strap, just a little snap kind of thing, and so you can carry it around the room or out in the woods or wherever you are, or again, you know, you can float it in water when you're swimming. Geez, it's just, and also if you want to charge it with a computer right here, this little thing, you open it up and you can connect it to a USB port, or if you have an adapter from your iPhone or whatever, you can connect the USB end of this into that and plug it into an AC in the wall, so you don't have to have a computer to charge it with the US. And this USB takes only 2 or 3 hours, where this charging the battery here would take you all day in sunlight.
Well, as you can see, this is LuminAid Pack Light Nova USB. And if you go to LuminAid.com, you can see this and some other products they have. This particular model is $24.95 or so, and with $5 shipping. And they do have price breaks for multiple purchases, quantity, and also they have a contribution program, because this particular light was created by LuminAid for developing countries where people had, or other countries where people had no electricity. So you could use it in your mountain cabin or wherever. And this is good for, they estimate 10,000 charges recharging. So this is about 27 years if you did it every day. And there's nothing to wear out. There are no moving parts to replace. The LEDs last. The photovoltaic cells last. The plastic is durable, so it can be outside. It's a very convenient little lantern. If you want to, you're in a power out, or you're in your cabin or out in the woods and you need a lantern. You know, they've had the Coleman lanterns for a long time, but this gives a very, very nice light, and it's easy to read and write by. And for emergency power outages, it's a really nice little product. I don't have any relationship with the company. This is just This is just demonstrating I think it's a really good idea, and so